The fuck is wrong with my dog? It's being retarded as fuck. It wants me to fucking pat him or something. He just does that for like an hour and a half. Like he won't stop until you fucking pat him. Like he'll keep doing that forever until I turn around. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with him. Fucking mental case. I've never seen a dog that whines so much, dude. I swear to God. He manipulates people with his whining.